Here is how to fix the Among Us application not working on your device. So first of all, you need to go ahead and make sure that the Among Us application is up to date. Open your Play Store if you're using Android and your App Store if you're using iPhone. Then simply search for Among Us application. And if you see an update button instead of play, go ahead and tap on that in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Once done, go ahead and tap and hold onto the Among Us application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Then scroll down, tap on Storage, then click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data and then tap on Delete to confirm. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also go to Permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. Then go to Battery section and make sure that it's set to unrestricted or optimized. Then come back and try opening the Among Us application. And if it's still not working, you need to go ahead and uninstall this application completely from your device. Tap and hold on to Among Us, tap on the uninstall button, tap on OK to confirm. And once it has been uninstalled completely from your device, open your Play Store, search for Among Us, and then tap on Install in order to install it to its latest and newest version available. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.